potatoes, please. Some fingerlings. I love this. Oh, they put red and white? Yum, yum. What's the sauce?
Like a spicy ranchy style.
Ooh, okay.
It's got a zing to it.
I'll just start with that for now. It's a little hard. Here, I'll just take this. It's got a zing to it. Let's try it. Yeah. Well, that's good stuff. And then we got the crispy artichoke hearts. Oh, yes. In some aioli. Oh, wow.
Right?
Winner. Wow. Yeah, put that there. Wow. That's so good. Did it come with 4 tacos? Let me try the taco. Jicama tacos. Wow, this artichoke hearts. Oh my god. We don't have enough room at our table.
It's okay. I like eating my salad.
And you can ask them to bring it at the end. Because
I'm sure it's going to show up in a second.
these bean tacos.
Here you go. Alright, look at that.
With chickpeas on them.
Yeah, right?
Now they can bring the salad.
Yeah.
Thank you.
The vegan Caesar.
For the,
Yeah.
oh yeah. I didn't realize that.
I know. It's like,
I might eat the jicama tacos last because it's cold already. This though.
yeah, it comes cold. But the tortilla's warm.
Not really. It's already kind of.
It's a really light tortilla. I think it's a flour.
This is really good. Wow. I love artichokes. Wow. And the good thing about it being ambidextrous again, I can eat with my right hand too. On my left.
Right or left? Can you write with them too?
Yeah.
Right or left?
Yeah. Obviously, I'm better with my left hand. These are my favorite. These artichokes are such a winner.